Hello everyone, this is the recording for IS183 Unit 3 session. Unit 3 reading is Chapter 4 Constraints and Chapter 5 Data Manipulation and Transaction Control. The Unit 3 discussion initial post is due Wednesday. You're to write a sample script using the select, update, delete, and insert statements. Describe what each DML statement is used for. Explain the importance of DML statements when using a database. Provide examples and be sure to have at least one APA reference within text citation. 3 replies are due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. At least one open-ended question is required in one of the replies. The Unit 3 assignment, you're to download the script files, so it's attached to the assignment. And when you open the zip file, you'll see all these scripts. This is the one you're going to use, the first one. You're going to go to Oracle Apex and sign in the way you did last time. And when you get to SQL Workshop, when you get in, you're going to SQL Workshop, then SQL Scripts. And in the SQL scripts, you're going to choose the upload. That will make this box come open. And you're going to choose your file, this first file, when it says choose file. And leave everything else as it is. And then click upload. When you upload it, then it will show you, it will give you, showing you that you have uploaded the script. To do anything with it, you have to run it, and the run command is here, so you're going to click this button. Then this box will come open, which is talking about the script that you have, but then you have to click run now, so it's not actually run until you click run now. Then it will give you the results, and it'll tell you it created a table called customers, and it inserted values into the table, like this is the first one. It will show all of them, but I only did 2. Now it wants you to edit the script. So you're going to click Edit Script. And when you get in the Edit Script, it's going to list like the table and each customer's name and all the constraints. You're going to click this Replace button. I think it used to be Replace and Find and Replace, but now they're separate. So you're going to click on this one. The Find and Replace will come up. You're going to put Gerard in one and Valentine in another, and you're going to click Replace All. But before you're done, also put customers, because see, originally it created a customers table, but you're going to get an error if you don't change the name. So instead put customers here and customers 2 or whatever you're going to change it to in the second one. Then replace all. That replaces all of the instances of customers, and that way you won't get the error. Then when you're done, you're going to run the script just like we did before. You're going to click run and then run now, and then you're going to get your results, and then you need to go to your customer table. There's a couple of ways to do that. You can go to SQL Workshop, and you'll see the latest thing, which is your tables. Click on the second table where you have the edited one. Or you can go to Object Viewer. Now sometimes Object Viewer doesn't work, so it's easier just to go to SQL Workshop and click on the last thing that you did. And then when you see that what I want you to show is I want you to show your name where the schema is, and I want you to show that you changed Cindy Gerard to Cindy Valentine. And that's basically the script that you need to include. To study for the midterm and final, know the constraint type abbreviations on page 105, table 4.2. Know which constraint cannot be created at the table level, page 106. How to enable a disabled constraint, page 128. How to rename a constraint, page 129. How to delete a constraint from a table, page 129. And how to delete an associated foreign key along with the primary key deletion, page 130. How to reverse changes to the database, page 142. Which type of commands are used to create or modify database tables, page 142. Know how the default date format for Oracle, 12C, page 145. Know how it looks. Know the difference between the deleting all records from a table and truncating the table, page 164. Know how to explicitly lock a table in share mode, page 168. When DDL operations are performed, what does Oracle do, page 169. Any table referenced by foreign keys must already have the primary key created. A foreign key value must exist in the table where it is a primary key. Value constraints define specific data values or data ranges that must be inserted into columns and whether values must be unique or not null. When you declare a variable with a data type number, it is null until you assign a value. Those are some I couldn't find in the book. The mid-course connection meeting is misspelled meeting. That's great. It's this week and next week. I've created a Google Doc. The link to the doc is in the Unit 3 announcement, found in announcements. I need to speak with everyone, so please pick a time. There's not very many people that have signed up, so pick a time that works best for you. I go to 7 o'clock. If you have to be later, then you just need to let me know. That's all for now. And then I just had my references. If you have any questions, please let me know.